Which one?
Hi, I'm Martin Ogle. I'm the Education Coordinator for Lafayette Open Space. And today I'm at the Greenlee Wildlife Preserve Open Space, which is just north of Wanaka Lake. I hope that you'll come out and enjoy the great outdoors, the beautiful scenery, and of course, the birds. In this very short video, we'll give you a sampling of what kind of birds are seen right in this area, and also a set of resources that will help you learn more about the birds. From fall to spring, and especially in the spring, is a great time to see waterfowl and other water birds right at the pond at Greenlee. One of the most colorful ducks in all of North America is the wood duck. The male on the left and the female on the right, they frequent this pond. And a duck-like bird called the hooded merganser is just a sight to see. If you're really lucky, you'll see a white pelican with its 9.5-foot wingspan come in for a rest. Visit the feeders near the entrance to Greenlee and see birds like this downy woodpecker. The downy woodpecker is the smallest of the woodpeckers of our area. The northern flicker is a larger and more common woodpecker in Lafayette. You might see it on the ground or up in trees. Watching the behavior of even very common birds like the American robin is a great activity for families or people of any age. Watch them preen, vocalize, and carry on their lives right beside our own. And watching backyard chickens might not seem the same as watching all these wild birds, but it's got its own rewards. Wanaka Lake, with its beautiful views, is a great place to be no matter what you're doing. But when you're there, look out on the open waters, and if you have binoculars, check out some of the birds out there real close. Who'd have dreamed the azure blue eye of a cormorant? Or the golden eye of, well, this is called a golden eye. It's a kind of duck. And keep your eye to the sky and see if you can find a red-tailed hawk. This is our most common large hawk. Only the adult has a red tail. Juveniles have striped tails, like this one that landed near a house near Wanaka Lake. Look what it caught for dinner. I'm here along Coal Creek, and I'm trying to get some shots of birds. There's some good ones. In Lafayette, we live amongst an amazing variety of birds, and they share their lives with us whether we know it or not. Some of these birds are familiar and all around us, whereas others might surprise us with their beauty and color that we'd never noticed before. We'll end this video with some resources that you can use to learn a whole lot more about birds in Lafayette. There's a lot to learn, so check it out. During this coronavirus emergency, we all have to stay safe. And as long as you do, and take the proper precautions by not going out if you're sick, staying at least 6 feet, if not more, apart from people who aren't your direct family, then getting outside is still allowed, and it's good for all of us. And so, enjoy the birds in Lafayette.